This video is a follow-up to a previous one, which showed an animation of the TAC, the Tabletop Automation Center, performing hypothetical tasks on printed circuit boards. In part of that animation, the TAC used a rotary head device, like this one, to position a dispenser nozzle to spray conformal coating. With the rotary head, the TAC is often able to spray under the lips and overhangs of product items. For example, in the circuit board video, a rotary head was used to spray the leads beneath an SOJ-type integrated circuit. In view of the interest we've heard regarding this functionality, we thought we should show a TAC prototype performing the same coating operation as was shown in the animation. Here's the animated segment from the circuit board video showing the rotary head spraying underneath the four sides of the SOJ chip. The TAC's carriage, work table, and rotary head work together to move the nozzle along the sides while making a series of 90-degree turns. It's not exactly thrill-packed excitement, but it's a job the TAC can easily do. With the prototype TAC replicating this operation, here's the work table, carriage, rotary head, dispenser nozzle, and the SOJ chip. Obviously, we used a more simple setup for positioning the chip on the work table. Also in this exercise, we lacked a rotary union to work with this upper tube, which would feed the coating liquid to the rotary head. So we had to take care on how we turned the rotary head to avoid putting a kink in the upper tube. Still, the carriage, work table, and rotary head all make much the same movements as in the earlier animation. To start things off, the work table moves to the rear while the carriage comes in from the left to spray the first side. Here's where, if we had a rotary union, the dispenser would have made a 90-degree turn instead of turning 270 degrees in the opposite direction. Having finished the four sides, the rotary head turns back to its starting position. Then the gripper and dispenser take a little bow, and everything slides away, with the dance having come to an end.